Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Saiful Hassan, and I've been making this video to share my personal experience about Green University. And in a short, I could say that I've been enrolled there in the 2012, and I've been graduated from there in 2016, and I've been studied my bachelor on business administration, and my major was marketing. And after that, I just have to let clear about my current profile, then I will go for my experience in the Green University. So after that, in 2017, I've been migrated to the England for my higher education, and I did my MBA from the University of the West of Scotland, and it was in they have a campus in the London. And I've been there till the 2018. I've been graduated in the June in the Hamilton. I've got my convocation there, and after that, in the September in 2018, because I found out myself that it was too hard for me to get settled down in the UK, because they have quite strict rules about you have to stay 10 years, so it is too much for me. So that's why I quickly found out a alternative solution to migrate in the Canada, because they have a better the settlement package system compared to the other country of the world. So I enrolled myself again for another masters on global leadership and administrative science, and that was in the Fairleigh University, which is a US university, and they opened another campus in the Vancouver. It's situated in the heart of the British Columbia. So but I went there and I finished my other masters, and which is quite longer than the British one. British one has like 1 year course, 1 year masters, and this was like 2.5 years masters. So after finish this, I was graduated from there, like Fairleigh Dickinson University in 2020. And later on, I've been started my full-time work here. So right now I've been working as a assistant manager in the Sale Food Services in the Delta, and currently, alhamdulillah, I have applied for my permanent residency just last month, and hopefully inshallah I will be having this one is end of the year. So that is my whole current portfolio right now in a nutshell. And now I'm going for my experience in the Green University. So in the Green University, just for first to let you to make sure that Green University followed the North American curriculum style, and that is totally based totally helpful for you if you are planning to go for your higher education in the North America, any North American country, like including US or Canada, obviously not Mexico. So so if you are planning to go for your better education or higher education in the US or Canada, so Green University is pretty much helpful for you, because what they followed and what the curriculum they followed, I just found it similar. It is like same thing in my Canadian education. Is like 80 to 70% are all similar, even if some subjects they have been taught me like business ethics or something like that, they have the same thing but in other name, but like pretty much similar. So that is the another best thing for you. And another thing, if you said that okay, Green University is not much higher top ranked in the Bangladesh or something like that, but trust me, if I say you a fact, if you come to the other part of the world, like the western part of the world, Europe, America, US, wherever you go, they don't bother you what university you are coming from in the Bangladesh. If you say that I'm my past education in Bangladesh, they don't bother the name of the university. They bothered about what CGPA you got. If you just show that you got like higher CGPA, they will treat you like a best candidate for job or for university, whatever. So for my perspective, I got my good CGPA in the university. I got like 3.75 or something like that. That is helped me a lot, and I can say anywhere in the world that I came from the university on the Bangladesh. So I'm proud of my university. And if you don't proud of your university, even if you studied, and I found some people, some recent students, they were complaining about the universities. I don't know, like they said, university don't learn people how to speak in English. But the real example of me, you can say, you can see me, how can I speak in English, and still I can say this English, this base of the English I learned from the university. That's the motivation I get what from the university, is how to speak in English and how to put your conversation in English in the presentation or something like that. You have to go for English, and that's motivation I got from university. And but with some other fellow students, they don't take this seriously, so that's why they were struggling. But you can't just give blame to the university. They don't let you learn English. They're giving you for when you started your bachelor or something like that, they give you the basic English, advanced English, everything. They're teaching you everything. They're put you in course materials. But if you don't take it seriously, so you can't blame university. So you have to be non-biased, not biased. You have to be go for a fact. So in my experience, I found university is very much helpful. My whole faculty members, they loved me a lot. They always help me to how can I improve my presentation, how can I improve for assignment, how can I go for a good exam result. I always go for the teachers when I don't understand anything. I was feeling free to go to the teacher, and I take the opportunity always. So it's up to you. How can you train yourself? How are you seriously taking have been seriously taking your studies? So if you put priorities on your study, then obviously you will get a better result. And if you just don't bother yourself about your future or something like that, and at the end of the day you got a bad result, and you just put all the blame on the university, that's not fair. So you have to be fair. So compared to Green University, I already told you like that they are giving the international quality education, and you have been, if you are coming from a university, when you are coming in the in the North America, you are not getting shocked or surprised by the education system. You will find the similar system what you have learned from the university. So that is the main key thing I just wanted to tell you. I just want to make sure. And if you have any confusion about what I'm saying, you can just knock me in the LinkedIn. You can knock me in the Facebook to verify or testify my whatever I'm saying, my facts or what I'm saying in this video, obviously. And I've been like to congratulate you, everyone who is who have choose the university for your higher education. Obviously you are having a good future ahead, and the university will help you and will help you to shape your better career, because the faculty is pretty much outstanding in the university. It's up to you how you are relating yourself, how you are prioritizing your study. If you are prioritizing your put emphasis on your study, obviously you will get a good remark and good benchmark from the university, and you will have a better career ahead. So thank you so much for everyone for listening to me. And if you have any confusion, I'll be happy to help. I'm opening in my social network and in the LinkedIn as well. And thank you so much.